Hi, Adeyemi Oluwaseun again. Yeah, I just wanted to quickly show you the continuation of the video that I made the other time about this indicator that I was talking about. Okay, and I told you, I told you about that, I told you about $100 account that I said I was building. I deliberately, I'm deliberately using these $100 accounts. We have another account, okay, that we are using with this boss. I actually doing this for the purpose of those people that they normally say, oh, I don't have big capital, huge capital to start trading this and that, and if you have a small fund, you cannot do FX, things like that. Okay, that is what I'm trying to tackle here. Okay, and as you can see that I actually using this MT4 inside the MetaTrader, remote desktop. Okay, that is VPS, so that you will be seeing everything as it is going. So it will not see, it will be looking as if because you just open it, so it's restructure itself. No. This is how this thing has been, this is how it has been working for the past 5 days now. Okay, for the past 5 days, and as you can see, we have 2 ongoing trade, and this is just a 50 day. We started this account on Monday, and the fact is that we don't really have much time for these accounts. Okay, we don't have much time because there are so many trades, like this one now, and like this one. We not take this trade, we not take that trade, and you can see what it has done already. You can see what it has done. You can see what it has done. It has done like 43 pips. Okay, this trade I did not take it. I did not take it because of the time. I don't have much time for this account like that, but I'm just trying to, you can see this is 133 pips. Okay, though we are in 2 trades already, and you can see that 2 trades are already actually they are in money. Okay, then 1 trade. Okay, this is 2 trades. Actually, there were actually 3 trades. One of them has entered 30 pips this afternoon, and it's close itself. I think this is the one. You can see 10.5. It's close to 30. Alright, so you can see we have 2 ongoing already, so it means in 5 days it has done over 100%. Okay, it has done over 100% in 5 days, which is still cool. It has done over 100 in 5 days. So let's see if there is any signal here. Okay, there is a signal there. You can see there is a signal here, and I'm gonna enter that one right now because market is still fresh, it's still open. Okay, market is open. Okay, so I'm gonna enter that one. So by Monday you can TP. By Monday. Alright, so by Monday this one is gonna TP. Let me just target, let me just place my TP. You can see by Monday, this one's gonna TP. It's gonna TP. Yes. So let me. Okay, let me just take small. I don't want to take big. Say 70. Let me just take 50 pips. 50 pips. 50 pips. You can see that has already done 30 pips. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3. That's done 30 pips already. Okay, I want to actually do 50, right? Good. That is 50 pips, 53 pips. So let me see USD as well. Okay, the stop loss. So I'll put the stop loss here. We're supposed to be just take this one down. Just coming down for real. And that is 95 pips. Okay. They're supposed to enter, you know, that the stop loss will have just be small. So then so I say that this one is not valid. It's not valid because it's supposed to appear inside the red zone. Like this, you can see that this appeared inside the red zone. That is why we entered it. So let's check AUD USD. Actually, we are in AUD USD. For instance, it's retracing. It's still going down. It's retracing. Then USD card. I mean USD card. USD card, cool, awesome. You can see it's retracing. We have this. We have this. You can see. This afternoon, we actually grab from sell on that USD card, and now you can see immediately it should finish, then it's enter buy again. So what we do is just to enter buy as well because it's inside the red zone. Okay, so we have finished the sell, so let's try the buy together. Okay, so let's try the buy together, and that is 80 pips. That is 80 pips. So I want to take just 80 pips. And so it's even giving us the insight. Then that is stop loss. Okay. So let's just create the JPY. set up at all. That's when you just buy. And let's check KGBY. You can see I supposed to open more PS, but because this account we are just using it as a case study. Okay, as a case study, we're just using it as a case study. As a case study. Like this is gonna sell, but we want to wait if we can have another arrow inside the main red zone. Inside the main red zone, so we just have to wait. So that is it. That is it. So we just have to wait for this. It's going to be sell. It will sell, but we want to wait for another arrow. Maybe I will show you on Monday when the markets open again. So alright guys, you too can take the benefit of this indicator and make some pips and some money. Alright, so I told you, price very cheap. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Bye.